What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to replace your tail lights, well the bulbs anyway, in your 2011 through 16 F250 or 350, and honestly it works, it's exactly the same on 99 through 16. As you can see, we got a little snow here. This should be, come on, there we go. Real quick, don't forget to get your merch down below. It's super cold. Hoodies. As always, guys, 60 bros for free shipping on all your orders right now. Like, comment, and subscribe because I'm out here in the cold making videos for you guys. All right, guys, replacement bulbs here. 3157 is your size. Just got these at Advanced Auto. Just regular halogen bulbs, nothing crazy. 5/16 socket here to take this off. And it's just 2 screws. It's super easy, super fast to do. When you put these bolts back in, guys, just be careful. It's just going into plastic. Don't go crazy tightening them down. My hands are so cold. Anyway, so from here, just kind of pull out. Nothing too crazy. Ow, so cold. So anyway, there's some nonsense on mine. They had something else wired up here. I don't actually know fully what that was, but it looks like it's just tapping power off of it. So I don't know if they had a light hooked up in the bed or something. Who knows, man. But anyway, this is your reverse light here. This is your actual tail light and turn signal. Get rid of that one. They say be careful not to touch these bulbs because the oil, yada yada yada. Never had an actual issue. I'll put it in. It would be a wise idea to test this before putting all this back together, especially if it's your first time, but we'll be all right. As you can see, this side there's two prongs that line it up, and then these actually are push in to hold it in place. That's what you have to fight resistance wise. So just line those back up. Press in. I always like to start my screws here again, or bolts, by hand, just because you're just screwing into plastic. It's nothing like super sturdy. And again, just a quick snug down. That's it. Nothing crazy. I'm not trying to force anything. I will say this side was fine. It's my other side that's actually messed up, but I always replace these in pairs. They're super cheap, and if that one went out, there's a chance this one's not far behind. Who knows, maybe this one had another 2 years in it or something, but we're just getting it done now. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, down in the comments below, I will link other videos I've done to taillight replacement and stuff, but it is a very easy, fast job to do. Please don't pay somebody to replace these bulbs. It's kind of a waste of time on our trucks. It's super quick. I am going to be releasing a short, if you haven't seen that already, just doing the other side, just trying some different content. Stay tuned for the continuation of our F250 Platinum build, meaning we're going to turn an XLT into a Platinum. Stay tuned for that. We're going to be getting our remote started, going on that. And by going, I mean I actually already did it, so rock on. And it's actually really, really cheap to do. So again, don't pay Ford to do that because you can do it yourself for like 50, 60 bucks. Anyway, stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next upload.